everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to install HappyMod on your iOS device. As you can see on my screen, HappyMod is already up and running smoothly on my iPhone. The best part is that you don't need to jailbreak your device or deal with any complicated procedures. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so make sure to watch the entire video to catch all the details. Grab your device, and let's get started. Before diving into the installation process, there are a couple of quick settings to check on your device. Open Settings, go to Battery, and confirm that low power mode is turned off, as leaving it on can limit the app's functionality. Next, return to the main settings menu, select General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data, so the app can refresh properly in the background. Once these simple adjustments are done, you're ready to proceed. Let's continue. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted source for modded apps. Use the search bar to find HappyMod and select it from the list of results. You'll see a detailed page with information like download stats and user reviews. Tap the Download Now button to begin. The download and installation process is fast, and you should see a confirmation once it's complete. If the confirmation doesn't appear for you at first, it may mean the website requires downloading additional files for verification. Don't worry, this extra step is simple, and clear on-screen instructions will guide you through it if needed. Once everything is set up, HappyMod will be installed and ready to use. I've downloaded it myself, and it works flawlessly. And there you have it. That's how to install HappyMod on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of this tutorial. If you found it helpful and everything worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. If you got questions or need assistance, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.